So hi all. Now I'm going to build my Einstein prediction builder. So for this, I need to go here, type prediction. So here you can see Einstein prediction builder option. Click. If you want, you can practice in Trailhead as well. The same. Click over here, and this module you can try. Moving on here and to click get started. It will take some time, so I will refresh it. Okay, click on get started. Wait for some time. Let me refresh it again. Okay, so yes, new prediction. Now, when you're going to for new prediction, you need to give some name. I will give name as opportunity data because in this playlist, if you're able to recall, I uploaded one data on opportunity. So on that basis only, I'm going to build a prediction. So I will type OPP data. This is the name I given here. By this way, yes and no form you can give, or even in numeric. Always, it's recommended to first start with this one. So when you give, now it's up to you. You can directly click save and next, or you can click save. Now you can click next as well. After that, here they will ask you for which object contain the field you want to predict values. So the answer is opportunity only. So click here save, and when I save, some records will came up, right? And there's the option data checker. Every time save and click on this data checker, so it will show you the number of records. Click next. Okay. I want for all opportunity for time, so I will say next. Now here the conditions. Now one important thing. This before doing all this stuff, one more thing I forgot to tell, that when you're doing all this, kindly refer my first video. And this one I uploaded a data set. Okay, name is opportunity history. Name is opportunity history. So how I uploaded that data set, everything will be shown in this video. And automatically, after that, if you go up here, you can perform all this because that data only I'm going to filtering that data, giving condition based on that data only. So let me check whether I can show you here itself. Click here, type Analytics Studio, then go and browse, and here dataset. So for me, my dataset is already here, opportunity history. Fine. If you want your own dataset, what you need to do, click here, create dataset, and you can browse by a CSV file. You can drag drop or any of the other option as well. So I already, since I have a dataset, I didn't show you the step. Okay. So now conditions. Opportunity, I give that condition based on amount. But amount is greater than or equal to currency option. I will say 30, 1,30,000. And here the same, I will give a condition amount will be lesser than or equal to currency will be, I will say 1,20,000. Now the thing is that this Einstein prediction builder always required at least few records for yes as well and few records where outcome will come no as well. So to maintain that difference, I always used to you need to give a condition in such a way that yes, few records cover under this section where amount is 1,30,000 greater than that. At the same time, I given this filter, so few records who will comes under this will also will comes, and it will show as no option. So now you need to save it. Since I have equal amount of records. See, 103 records were there where amount is less than or equal to 1,20,000. Perfect. And here 596 records are there where amount is greater than or equal to 1,30,000. So perfect. Additionally, I also recommend you to check this data checker. So you can check whole data, whole information. Click next. Now here all the fields, whichever field you want to exclude, you can exclude from here. Okay, maybe you don't want account name, you can exclude from here. But in my case, I want all of them. So I will keep all of them as it is. And again, first step, save it. Then check the data. All data is perfect. Click next. Now scroll it down. Okay, predicted all records. For example, choose a specific record. Do you want it for some specific record? No, I want for all records. Select this option and click next. Go here, give some name. I will say OPP data score and save it. Now, again, click next. And if you want to check the data, you can check it. So almost everything is built. If anywhere an issue will come, this side you can see a cross mark. Since we don't have any issues, it's perfect up to the mark. So last but not the least, we need to click on this option called build. Yes. Now, when I click on build, it will time taking. It will sometimes it's really take a lot of time. So now see, it's showing a scoring, right? And it's in the process. Now exactly what's going on in the background. So I will go over here, I will refresh it. So now only two options you can see, clone and delete, right? Here, once it will be done, score option, view score option will also show to you. Now for that, we need to wait for some time. Meanwhile, I will pause this video. Once it will be done, I will continue from here itself. So now it's actually building process is done. Let me show you here. You can check whenever it's done, the notification will show up. One more thing, it will take some time for me. It's almost take 45 minutes. So while you are practicing the same, keep this thing in your mind. Now let me show here. I need to refresh this. Okay, again, it will the process. Let me refresh again. Okay. Meanwhile, if I need to show you, you just click over here. Previously, when I clicked, we can only see two options, right? Deploy and delete. Now here, if I click, sorry, clone and delete option was there, right? Now you can see edit, enable, view scorecard. So we just need to click over here, view scorecard. And here, this is the overview, prediction quality. If I go down, prediction quality is too high. Top predictor distribution, everything is showing this. If you click on this field, predictors, you can download the CSV as well if you want. Click here. So that's all from my end. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in comment or you can DM me in Instagram. All my Instagram ID, Facebook ID, I mentioned in the description box. At the same time, if you want to watch full Einstein series, you can check the video on your left hand side. At the same time, if you want to watch Salesforce interview questions, you can watch the video on right hand side. And before going, please hit the subscribe button and also a like. Thank you all.